Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a small haul from Traveler's Notebook USA. I was lucky enough to purchase the limited edition road trip cover when they put it up for sale. I purchased this earlier in December, before we lost Bruce. So let me go ahead and unpack it, and then I will show you what I purchased. This is the newsletter that was in my package that they sent to me. This is what it looks like on the inside. I purchased the brass clip. So this is the packaging, and then here's the clip. My husband used to drive a VW Bug. I can't remember what year it was. It was like in the early 60s. But the story that I'm working on right now, my protagonist, her best friend, drives a VW bus, which is why I really wanted to get this cover. I also purchased the Tokyo stickers. So I'm just going to go ahead and lay the sticker on top so you can see what's in the package. And then I also purchased the road trip sticker package that looks like this. And this will also be fun to use because Route 66 is a mile or two away. I shouldn't make it sound like it's really close, but and the old camper. Let me show you the Traveler's Notebook cover. So in case you've never bought one before, there's a string that's wrapped around it and the cover is inside. You can save the string to use as the strap. Let me set all this. So then you also get a free string. Let me just put that over here. It comes inside this kind of canvasy bag. And this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. This is a brown cover. So here's that string that I was mentioning. So if you do like Traveler's Notebook, you probably already know that you can save the string that comes in the box. And then here's the insert that comes with it. And actually I'm going to use, I bought this a few months ago. So I'm going to use this as an additional insert to put inside with our travels. And then I do have a charm that I want to share with you that I plan to use. Let me set this guy over here. I'll be right back. So here is my passport Traveler's Notebook that I use as my wallet. You see this cute little camper? I think that would be perfect on here. So let me take it off. This guy, he's not part of the show, so I won't put that there. Let me put this back on. And let me insert this little camper charm on it. Ta-da! Isn't that cute? So here's a quick video of the haul of the Traveler's Notebook Road Trip Limited Edition that I purchased from Traveler's Company, USA. I hope you guys have a good day. I'll talk to you later. Bye!